How to leave your Snapchat group chat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can leave your Snapchat group chat. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of Snapchat on your device. For that you must go to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for the Snapchat, and after searching for Snapchat, make sure you have already updated and install the latest version there. So if there is any update option available, do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Snapchat and go to the chat section. So just go to the profile of the group. After that, just go on the vertical three dots, and then you will see many options right here. First of all, you will see the leave group option with red text written here. Just tap on the leave group option, tap on the leave option. Now you are done. You've already been left from the group just like that. So I hope this helps you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.